in this country means the union of two people voluntarily entered into for life to the exclusion of the others. So I'm now going to ask each of you to declare that you know of no legal reason why you should not be joined in matrimony to each other. Now, William, we didn't mention this because I thought we'd get too much information, but you are going to go first. So I'm going to ask you a question. If it's true, can you reply, I am. Are you, William James Henry Powell, free or free to marry Stacey Louise Hawkins?
I am.
And Stacey, please, if you'd like to reply, I am, if it is correct. Are you Stacey Louise Hawkins, free or free to marry William James Henry Powell?
I am.
So the time has now come for the couple to say their marriage vows before you do it. So everybody here today is a witness to the wedding, but the couple have chosen two special people to come up to the front, listen to the vows, and sign the schedule at the end. So could I ask Samantha and Tom please to step forward? So if you two would like to stand to the side, sorry. And would you two like to turn and face each other? And as you're going to get married, you can hold hands. So you have both declared that you're free to marry, and so I'm now going to ask you to make the vows that will unite you as a married couple. So once again, you go first. Please repeat after me and say the words to Stacey. I, William James Henry Powell,
I, William James Henry Powell,
take you, Stacey Louise Hawkins,
Stacey Louise Hawkins,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
Excellent. Stacey, your turn, please. After you, speaking directly to William. I, Stacey Louise Hawkins, take you, William James Henry Powell,
William James Henry Powell,
to be my wedded